Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Every Day. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're spending your time with us today.
And I'm Eric. Whether you're listening in the morning with your coffee, on your afternoon commute, or maybe winding down in the evening, welcome. We're so glad you're here.
Today's episode is a really important one. It's something that, well, it's maybe the biggest challenge for English learners.
I think so too. We're talking about something that happens inside. It's for anyone who has ever felt shy or nervous or just frozen when you have an opportunity to speak English.
Yes, today we're talking about confidence. Not grammar, not vocabulary, confidence.
Because you can know so many words, right? You can have a whole dictionary in your head, but if you don't feel confident, you won't use them. They just get stuck.
Exactly. And if you're listening right now and thinking, that's me, please don't worry. You're in the right place. And this is a completely normal feeling.
Let's just start by saying this very clearly. Feeling nervous when speaking English is normal.
Very normal. Honestly, even advanced learners, people who have lived in an English-speaking country for years, they feel nervous sometimes.
I still feel nervous in new situations. It's human.
Me too. And I think that's a key point. Confidence doesn't mean zero fear. It's not about being fearless.
Right. It means speaking even when that fear is there. It's about doing it anyway.
And many learners think confident people speak perfectly.
Oh yeah, the perfection myth. But that's not true at all, is it?
Not at all. Confident people make mistakes. All the time.
They just don't stop because of mistakes. They keep the conversation going. I know when I was learning another language, I used to think way too much before speaking. I'd try to plan the perfect sentence in my head.
Same here. I planned every single sentence. And by the time I was ready,
The conversation ended before I spoke.
exactly. Overthinking is so common. So today, we want to help you stop overthinking and start speaking. So Anna, how would you explain confidence in simple words? What is it, really?
For me, confidence is trusting yourself. It's trusting that you can handle the situation even if it's not perfect.
I like that. It's saying, I may not be perfect, but I can try.
I like that. It's saying, I may not be perfect, but I can try.
Yes, and confidence is being okay with mistakes, knowing they will happen and it's not a big deal.
Confident people don't wait to be ready. They know that readiness comes from doing.
They learn by doing. They speak first, learn later. It's a much faster way to improve.
Another thing, and this is a big one, confident people accept compliments.
That's very important. So many learners push them away.
If someone says, your English is good, a confident person just says, thank you.
Not, no, my English is bad. Because when you say that, you're reinforcing a negative idea in your own mind.
Exactly. Your words create your mindset. Okay, so let's help our listeners check in with themselves. How do you know if a lack of confidence is blocking you?
Good idea. Okay, ask yourself this. Do you feel scared that people will judge your English?
Do you avoid speaking, even when you know the answer to a question?
When you do you speak very softly, almost in a whisper?
Do you avoid making eye contact with the person you're talking to?
And, this is a big one, do you replay conversations in your head later thinking about all the mistakes you made?
If you answered yes to some of these, that's okay. It's really okay.
These are just signs, not failures. They're just habits of thinking.
And the good news is, signs can be changed, habits can be broken.
Okay, so let's get practical. How do we start? I think one of the biggest mistakes learners make is waiting to feel confident before they act.
Yes, they have it backwards. Confidence comes after the action, not before it. You have to act first.
So our advice is to start small.
Now, even smaller than that. Very small.
Okay, like just say good morning in English to the person at the coffee shop. That's it.
Or just order your coffee in English. One sentence. Can I have a latte, please?
Or even easier, talk to yourself in English. When you're making breakfast, just say, okay, now I'm getting the milk.
Yes, that's so powerful. No pressure at all. These small steps, they build momentum.
And that momentum, that's what builds confidence. Each small action is like a vote for the confident person you want to be. This leads to our next point, which is so important. Focus on progress, not perfection.
Perfection is the enemy of confidence. It really is. So many learners think, I will speak when my English is perfect.
But guess what? Perfect English doesn't exist.
It really doesn't. Even native speakers make mistakes. We say the wrong word, we use strange grammar. We're not perfect.
So instead of chasing this impossible goal, just focus on being a little better than you were yesterday.
One new word better, one more sentence better. That's real, achievable progress.
And that feels so much better than chasing perfection. Okay, let's talk about the voice inside your head. Let's talk about positive self-talk.
This is so important. The way you talk to yourself matters more than anything.
If you constantly tell yourself, ugh, I'm so bad at English, your brain just believes it. It becomes your reality.
So you need to change the script. Instead of I'm bad at English, change it to I'm learning English.
Or I'm improving every day. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference.
Talk to yourself like you would talk to a good friend who is learning a new skill. You would be encouraging, right?
Yeah, you'd say, you're doing great, keep going. So be kind to yourself. Be your own best coach.
And speaking of being kind, let's talk about body language. Your body actually affects your mind.
It's true. If you're sitting hunched over and looking at the floor, you're going to feel nervous.
So stand up straight. Pull your shoulders back.
Smile. Even a small smile sends a signal to your brain that you're okay.
And speak a little more loudly and clearly than you think you need to. Project your voice.
It's like the idea of fake it till you make it. Even just acting confident, physically, can actually help you feel it.
Your brain follows what your body is doing. It's a powerful trick.
So, let's wrap this up with a few daily habits. What can people do every single day?
Okay, first, practice every day. I know it sounds simple, but it's crucial.
Even if it's just for 5 minutes, consistency is more important than intensity.
And when you practice, speak out loud. Don't just read in your head. Let your mouth get used to making English sounds.
Try recording your voice on your phone. It might feel strange at first, but it's a great way to get comfortable with the sound of your own voice in English.
And finally, celebrate your small wins. Did you order a coffee in English? Great! Give yourself a mental high five. Acknowledge your progress.
So, the main takeaway here is that confidence is not something you're born with. It's a skill.
It's built, not given. You build it with small actions every single day.
You do not need permission from anyone to speak. You don't need to wait for a certificate or a perfect score.
Your English right now, today, is enough to start.
Speak more, fear less.
Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Every Day. We hope this was helpful.
If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and maybe share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it.
Believe in yourself. You can do this.
We'll see you next time. Bye.